Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the alarm on your Windows laptop. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to the start button here and then you have to scroll down and look for clock. Now there's the clock in the C section. Now after you have located clock and opened it, you will see this clock window. Now in here, you can see timer, alarm, stopwatch and wall clock. So as we want to use the alarm, we will click on alarm here. And now from here, we have to set a new alarm. So to set that, we have to click here on the plus icon here. And now we can set an alarm. So if say you want to set an alarm for say 4 o'clock, we can do that. Let's change that to PM. You can actually call this alarm something else like college uh, session or something, and you can also repeat this alarm for this and this days. And you can also use what kind of sound you want to use for the alarm. So you can see there's a lot of sounds. You can select any of them, and you can also select news. So there's a lot of options, and you can see what you want to use and what you don't really need to use. So then after you have done all that, you have to click here save, and there you go, you have alarm. And since we didn't select the days, it's not going to be repeated. It's just going to be a one time thing. And if you want to delete this alarm, you have to right click and click on delete. And if you want to edit that, you can click here. So that's how you can use alarm on Windows laptop.